Hi everybody, it's Judy here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Life as Kikay. In today's video, I'm going to be swatching for you the Tati Beauty Volume 1 Textured Neutrals Eyeshadow Palette. I was very excited when Tati came out with this brand and this eyeshadow palette, and I was so looking forward to all the makeup that she was going to bring out. But it seems it was a one-hit wonder type brand, and she has not shown any signs of releasing any further palettes. But I must say, this one that she did release is an absolute stunner. It is still by far one of my most favorite eyeshadow palettes ever. It's so versatile, and it's literally got everything you need in this palette to create a really beautiful glam look on both sides of the spectrum. Obviously, you don't have the bright neons, the blues, the pinks, but if you want to create something elegant and you want to just take one palette, if you were doing makeup for other people on photo shoots or weddings and you just wanted to take one palette, this is definitely the palette that I personally would take. It's got 4 different formulas, so it's got a glitter, metallic, sequin, and mattes, and she's got 4 different shades and 6 different color families. So it's definitely a very, very versatile palette. I think it was incredibly thought out and planned out very, very well. I'm just sad that the queen of makeup is no longer around or uploading content. But anyway, if anything, I really hope that she continues to put out makeup because I absolutely love this palette. I would love to see more volumes come out in the future. Anyway, I do have a makeup tutorial using this eyeshadow palette, and any videos that I have on my channel using this palette will be linked in the description box down below. That was just my mini review on it right there. For now, I'm going to be swatching all of these shades for you guys. Thanks for watching. the shades. I ran out of space at the end of my arm. My arm's just is not long enough. I should have started a little bit further back here, but anyway, they all speak for themselves. I personally feel like the formulation in this palette is even better than Natasha Denona, and that's saying a lot. This palette, I don't think it retails for any more than $50 US, so it's 1000% worth it in my personal opinion. The shades are so opaque, they swatch so beautifully. These glitters don't flake off. I have used these glitters and all these shades on my eyes, and they just apply so beautifully. The sequins is such a unique formula. I feel like everything under the sun in makeup had been done until I used that sequin formula, and it's just so beautiful. Each sequin shade has tiny little flecks of glitter all through it, which you can still see when it is applied on the skin. It is so beautiful. I just can't. I don't have enough words for it. Like, look how buttery and pigmented, smooth and stunning all these shades are. So if you can still get this palette, I don't know if it's still available or not, but if you can get it, I would 1000% recommend. It's still by far, I think, my most favorite palette, or one of my most favorite palettes out of my entire collection. So yeah, those are the swatches from the Tati Beauty Volume 1 eyeshadow palette. Thanks guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye!